Hello, fellas watching around the world. Welcome back to another episode of the Trending Crypto channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, smash the like, and turn on notifications so you never miss any of our updates. Today, we have some really exciting news to share about Cardano ADA. There's a lot of buzz around a potential 25% rally in ADA's price, thanks to some major developments in the crypto space. But before we dive into all the details, I want to remind you that this video is for informational purposes only. It's not financial advice. So please do your own research and consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. All right, let's get into what's happening with Cardano. If you've been following the market closely, you know that ADA has been struggling with a downward trend for a while now, but recently we've seen a shift in momentum. ADA has started to gain some strength, breaking through some key resistance levels that have been keeping it down. This is a significant change, and it could be the start of something big. The current price of Cardano is around $0.3437, up about 3% from where it was just a few days ago. But what's really got everyone talking is the possibility of ADA breaking through the $0.3621 resistance level. If it can do that, we could see a substantial rally, potentially pushing the price up by 25%, all the way to $0.4500. This is a key level to watch because it coincides with the 200-day exponential moving average EMA, which is often seen as a long-term trend indicator. A break above this level could confirm a bullish reversal for ADA, which would be huge news for anyone holding or looking to invest in this cryptocurrency. So what's driving this potential rally? There are a few major factors at play. First, let's talk about the big news from Binance Pay. If you haven't heard, Binance Pay has recently added support for ADA. This means that merchants all over the world can now accept ADA for transactions with zero fees and near instant settlement times. Binance Pay is a massive platform with over 30 million users globally, so this is a huge step toward mainstream adoption of Cardano. I think about the potential impact of millions of people around the world using ADA for everyday transactions. This could be a game changer for Cardano's price. But that's not the only good news. The Cardano Foundation recently shared some exciting updates on their X account, formerly known as Twitter. They highlighted the success of the Cardano Hydra Layer 2 solution, which was showcased at the Revo blockchain event in Las Vegas. Hydra is a Layer 2 scaling solution designed to significantly increase Cardano's transaction throughput while keeping costs extremely low. During the event, the Hydra team performed a demo using a game called Doom, and the results were nothing short of impressive. The demo processed more transactions in a short period than the entire history of Cardano's mainnet. This kind of breakthrough is exactly what Cardano needs to push its technology to the next level and could have a lasting impact on its price. The combination of these developments, the integration with Binance Pay, and the success of Hydra has created a wave of positive sentiment around Cardano. But what does this mean for traders? Well, according to data from the CoinLast liquidation map, there's been a noticeable shift in market sentiment. We're seeing a significant amount of long liquidation leverage with $10 million in longs compared to just $3 million in shorts. This suggests that traders are increasingly betting on a rise in ADA's price. Additionally, the volume of short positions has dropped significantly, indicating that bearish sentiment is weakening. Looking at where traders are placing their bets, we see that many have open long positions at key levels around $0.339 and $0.324. These levels are important because they represent strong support that could help ADA maintain its upward momentum. If the price continues to rise and manages to break above the $0.3621 resistance, we could see a strong push towards $0.4500. This would be a major breakout for Cardano and could attract even more investors looking to capitalize on the rally. Let's take a closer look at the technical indicators. The Relative Strength Index RSI is currently sitting at 60.45. For those unfamiliar, the RSI is a momentum indicator that measures the speed and change of price movements. An RSI above 70 typically indicates that an asset is overbought, while an RSI below 30 suggests it's oversold. With ADA's RSI at 60.45, we're not in overbought territory yet, which means there could still be room for further upward movement. However, as the price approaches higher levels, we might see some resistance kick in, especially as traders start to lock in profits. Another key indicator to watch is the 200-day exponential moving average EMA. As I mentioned earlier, the $0.3621 resistance level aligns with this EMA, making it a critical level for ADA to break through. The 200-day EMA is often used by traders to gauge the overall trend of an asset. If ADA can break above this level and stay there, it could signal a long-term bullish reversal, which would be a strong buy signal for many investors. It's also worth noting that the overall crypto market has been on an upswing lately, with Bitcoin leading the charge. When Bitcoin moves, it often pulls the rest of the market along with it, and Cardano is no exception. The recent spike in Bitcoin's price has likely contributed to ADA's upward movement, creating a more favorable environment for all coins to rally. This broader market momentum could be just what Cardano needs to push through that critical resistance level and start a new uptrend. Now, while the outlook is generally positive, we have to consider the potential risks as well. As with any investment, there's always the possibility that things don't go as planned. If Cardano fails to break through the $0.3621 resistance level, or if it drops below the $0.3280 support level, we could see a reversal of this bullish momentum. In such a scenario, the price might target lower levels, possibly down to $0.3220 or even further. This would invalidate the current bullish thesis and could signal a return to the previous downtrend. It's important to keep an eye on these key levels and be prepared for any potential downside. The crypto market is notoriously volatile and things can change quickly. That's why it's crucial to have a solid risk management strategy in place. Whether you're a long-term holder or a short-term trader, always make sure you're managing your risk appropriately and not overexposing yourself to any single asset. And that brings us to the end of today's update on Cardano. We're seeing some exciting developments that could lead to a significant rally in ADA's price, but as always, it's essential to stay informed and approach the market with caution. Remember, this content is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Make sure to do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What are your thoughts on Cardano's potential rally? Do you think ADA has what it takes to break through that $0.3621 resistance and reach $0.4500? Or are you more cautious about the potential downside? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'm always excited to see what you guys think. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Trending Crypto for more in-depth crypto updates. Make sure you turn on notifications so you're always in the loop with the latest trends and developments in the crypto world. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, stay informed, stay invested, and I'll catch you in the next video.